Let's see. Oh yeah, that's done. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to be working on this 2001 GMC Sierra. The driver's side wheel bearing is completely done, shot. The passenger side is also has a little bit of play in it, so we're going to go ahead and swap that one out. Might as well, since we're already doing the other side. First things first, here this has a, let's see if I can get you guys. These little plastic bolts are 13/16, and they shouldn't be that tight, but and these lug nut sizes are 22, size 22. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this wheel out of the way. Okay, first things first, now that we got the wheel off, here on the caliper, there's two sliding bolts, and it's actually Torx. There's one right here and one right here. And the size for that is a T55. Okay, so here we're gonna take off this top one. And they shouldn't be that tight. Yeah, see, they're fairly loose. And then we have the second one on the bottom here. This one right here. For these sliding pins, it's always good to grease them up once you're putting them back together, just to make sure that they slide freely and you don't have a sticking caliper. And then you just grease all this area right here. Okay, now on the back here, let's see if I can. Okay, right here, this is what holds in the actual bracket. If you like, you can kind of take off the caliper, and then right here, and then there's one down here as well. And this is a 18, size 18. Now, like I said, this is pretty much loose already. I just put it back together just for the purpose of this video. But there's two of these. So once you take off that top bolt, the whole caliper should just come off. And I am going to be servicing the brakes as well. That's why I got the rotors resurfaced. It's okay if they get a little bit dirty. I'm going to spray them off anyways. So now let's put the caliper in a good position where it's not going to be hanging or causing any stress on the brake line. I know there's like a big debate on if it matters or not, but so next you take off the rotor. Okay, so this is kind of the section we want to be servicing in the back anyways. If you can see, it's 1, 2, and 3. Those are the 3 bolts we're going to be taking off for the actual wheel bearing. It's a 15. Okay, now that we got the 15, these ones might be locked in place really good, so okay. And 3. Okay. Another thing to remember is here on the top. Here on the top, where this bracket is, this as you can see right here, this is your ABS signal wire, and this is also getting replaced. So right here is where it disconnects. The 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 hub assembly that I bought, that's the part number right there, 295-15054. It comes with a new wire, so this one is basically trash. These came out pretty freely. I'm gonna be adding some thread locker to these once I'm done. There goes the third one. Then we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this. Compared to the other one. So here we have our new one, and here we have our old one. See, the new one is nice, solid. This old one, I mean, this one wasn't as bad. It just had a little bit of play. The only reason why I'm replacing it, like I said, I'm just gonna do the pair. The other one is way worse, and I'll show a clip of the other one. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's done. But let's go ahead and check the sensor in the back, and with this one, alright, these back bolts go torque down to 75. So I'm gonna get them as tight as I can right now. Got my torque set to 75 for these rear hub bolts. All right, it's looking great. Now that we got the whole back set up, now we're just gonna reverse the process by putting on the rotor and everything else. I'll set you guys up on the timeline. Okay, real quick to interrupt this time lapse. These bolts also go 75. The bracket bolts for the caliper bracket, those are 75 foot-pounds, and then these little small ones, here, the T20, the T55s, those go 35. So 75 and then 35. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video there. Thank you so much for watching. I just got to torque down the tires and I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and start the other side. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any comments or questions or concerns, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Catch you guys on the next one.